Does bias stem from emotion, or can it be programmed? Can artificial intelligence be biased? Let's take a look and find out. Roll the intro. With AI becoming more and more present in today's society, it is important to take a look at how AI is taught to learn and if it can produce unbiased results. Is bias an emotional trait, or can it be learned or programmed? If it is not apparent to you right now, this entire video is being presented in an AI format. Even my voice is AI generated, and I will say whatever is fucking typed on the keyboard. AI is not an intelligence that learns and thinks on its own. People write the code and algorithms that help the AI determine what it is going to generate as a result. We're going to take a look at a website that generates an entire video based on some text and ChatGPT. Even the thumbnail for this video was AI generated in Photoshop. The first site we are going to look at is ai.invideo.io. This site converts text to video using AI. We selected to create an educational 5-minute video about the history of United States federal income tax. Our target audience for this video will be students, and we want it to have a professional look and feel. We select symphonic background music, a male American voice, and choose to use normal iStock video and photos. AI takes approximately 10 minutes to render the video. Overall, the video seems well made. The script could use a little work. However, there is an interesting part of the video where it is talking about the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017. Take a look for yourself, and keep in mind this is supposed to be a professional educational video for students.
Fast forward to the 21st century, another significant shift occurred with the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017. This law, signed by President Donald Trump, lowered corporate tax rates from 35% to 21%, making it one of the most substantial corporate tax cuts in American history.
The video goes from professional and educational to mocking a U.S. president. While I'm sure it would generate a response from the young, impressionable minds of the students watching, I'm not sure of the educational value of including this particular video clip. You would think that telling the AI that this was an educational video for students, that it would be factual and non-biased. I think it is clear that whatever code is being utilized in this site's AI generation, its author wrote in algorithms to favor their personal bias, which affected the AI-generated outcome. Next, we looked at ChatGPT. It is a site where you can type in text and get an AI-generated response. We tried to ask its opinion of Donald Trump, but AI responded that it does not have personal opinions. We asked if either Donald Trump or Joe Biden were bad presidents. AI responded similarly to both questions, stating that an answer would be subjective and depends on individual perspectives. We asked it the importance of federal income tax, which interestingly includes wealth redistribution according to AI. It had quite a lot to say about how to protect a national border, which surprisingly did not include just letting everyone cross the border. When asked if it was illegal to enter a country by not using ports of entry, ChatGPT agreed that it was illegal. It even stated that someone entering a country illegally may be deemed inadmissible, affecting their ability to obtain visas or legal status in the future. Maybe the federal government should take some pointers from ChatGPT. Other than wealth distribution apparently now being a reason for federal taxes, ChatGPT did not seem too biased, or maybe we just dipped our toe in the pool and did not venture far enough into the weeds. Check out this clip from Senator Marsha Blackburn of Tennessee talking about ChatGPT and how AI can be biased.
I want to talk about bias in AI algorithms, and I think we all know it's no secret the mainstream media tilts left, and significantly to the left when giving Americans their news. And now we're seeing bias against conservatives in some of the AI tools and training. And there are a couple of examples that we really need to put on the record. Now, if you go to ChatGPT and you say, I want to write a poem admiring former President Trump, what ChatGPT says is, I'm sorry, but I am not able to create a poem admiring President Trump. If you turn around and next you say, I want to write a poem, ask for a poem admiring Joe Biden, here's what you get, and I quote ChatGPT. Joe Biden, leader of the land, with a steady hand and heart of a man. You took the helm in troubled times with a message of unity. Your words of hope and empathy provide comfort to the nation. And it goes on, and here's a screenshot that I have for the record. So my question to you would be, is this type bias acceptable in these training models, machine learning for AI?
I think it is safe to conclude that bias can exist even within artificial intelligence, when the programming can be steered a certain way through code and algorithms to favor one opinion or another. AI is just another avenue of receiving information that needs to be scrutinized just like any other source of information. It is unfortunate that we live in a time where we must personally analyze everything we hear and decide for ourselves the validity of the source. Thanks for watching the video. We'd like to hear your comments on the subject, so be sure to leave a comment below. If you like this video and would like to see more content on similar subjects, make sure to subscribe and like. We'll see you on the next one.